Hi guys, I thought I'd come on here and share with you all the great finds that I picked up from Walmart.com. This is not sponsored. I paid for everything with my own coins. This is a two-piece from Time and True. The jacket is a large, the pants are a medium, and the blouse is from Free Assembly, and I got that in a size medium. Now the jacket and the pants are sold separately. That way you can get the size that you feel is appropriate for you. I definitely could have gotten a medium in the jacket, but I wanted it oversized so it would cover up my derriere. The pants are stretchy. There are no zipper or no hook closures. And I'm going to retie the blouse so that I can just wear it if I wanted to wear it casual without the jacket. Kind of makes me feel like I'm a flight attendant. Probably was my dream job at one point in my life. But yeah, I think this is really cute. I'm wearing 4-inch heels, so these pants definitely are long. And then I just decided to pair the Sophia Melissa Flare high-rise faux leather jeans. I got them in a size 12. They do have pockets in the front and pockets in the back, and they are fairly long. Like I said, I'm wearing 4-inch heels, so they are definitely tall girl friendly. And I think these are cute for casual day Friday, you know. Now, if the polka dot blouse is not your thing, you could definitely pair it with an all black look. I got this top from Shein probably a couple of years ago. Now this is my favorite piece that I feel like I'm going to get lots of wear out of. This is the Scoop Faux Patent Leather Blazer, and I got it in a size large. It is a single button blazer. I do like it. I love the pop of color that it gives you. Now the only thing about this, now when you move your arms, the sleeves kind of make a little noise, but my mom said I could put powder on the arms. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that, or if you have any other suggestions in the bottom. But I think this is going to be a staple piece. This right here is from Free Assembly. It's a midi dress in a size medium. I love black, as you all know. It has embroidered dots throughout the dress. It does have a belt, and it has elastic in the waist, so you can cinch it in as tight as you need to, of course. And you know what else? You know. This dress has pockets, and you know we love us some pockets. And guess what? I'm just going to throw on that jacket. Isn't that cute? Especially as the fall progresses and it's a little chilly but not too cold. This is definitely going to accent that black. Now this is the rib knit sweater set that you saw on day one. I also have it in black. This is combo green. It has nice stretch to it. I definitely could have got a medium, but I got a large. You know, I feel like even if I managed to get the last 25 pounds off, that is still going to fit me just fine. And I love it with the black boots, but you know what? We're going to pair it with that same patent leather blazer, of course. Yes, we are. And you could definitely wear cognac, brown, wine color boots with this green. I love this. This is definitely fall colors. And I love it with the wine jacket. Yeah, I like this. This is cute. Now this is a dress. It's a denim dress in dark indigo from Free Assembly. I got it in a size medium. It does have pockets. I definitely should have got a large, but I'm hoping with the weight loss that it'll fit me fine. But I'm not going to send it back, because even if I don't manage to get it off, I can give it to my daughter. She's more than happy to take it. This dress does have pockets. And other than the black boots, you could definitely wear brown, wine, cognac, another color boots. I just didn't feel like changing shoes. Just being lazy. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be honest. But it's definitely cute. I love it. It just does not have stretch, so keep that in mind, okay? And October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and me being a breast cancer survivor, yay to me. I thought this was, of course, befitting to get. This is a two-piece. It's a relaxed fit high-rise twill pants, as well as with the jacket. Now, the pieces are sold separately. I got the pants in a 12. I got the jacket in a large, and it's just a band. You could wear a belt with it. It does not have elastic in the waist or anything like that. Now they are very long, so they are definitely tall girl friendly, so I'm going to have to get them cut off maybe about 1 inch or 2. And you could definitely wear it with any type of color under. You could do a monochromatic with a fuchsia top. You could go with black. You could go with white, but I chose this. I can't remember where I got the who the brand is for the top, but it is from Walmart.com. Yeah, I think this is so cute and definitely be fitting for October. Now, when it comes to running errands, especially as the weather starts to change, I do not like having to grab a coat. You know, I just don't want to do that. So I got this. This is by AVIA. It's a fleece two-piece set. It's a bomber jacket. And you zip it up the front. It does have pockets. I picked it up in all white, and I got it in a size large. I could have got a medium, but I like the large. And the shoes are also by AVIA in solid black, and I wear a size 8 in tennis shoes. But yeah, for me, I just like simplicity. I like to be able to just grab my purse and go. I don't want to have a coat because, you know, sometimes you get in a store and it's too hot. Yeah, no. And see, the tennis shoes are very comfortable, nice sole, gives you lots of comfort for walking, especially when it comes down for us to do a little Christmas shopping. So I also picked them up in hot pink or fuchsia. Yeah, they're cute. I really do like these. And yes, I am somebody's grandma. I love a graphic tee. That is not from Walmart.com. That's just from my mini collections of t-shirts. This here is from Free Assembly. It's a half zip pullover with the pants. The pants are cargo style. It does have elastic in the waist. I love the room. I picked the top up in a large, the bottom in a medium. Those are working pockets on both sides. You can wear the zipper part way up, or you could definitely wear it all the way up and maybe have more of a slouch collar. So again, something simple to run errands in on the weekends, and maybe even casual Friday. I could probably get away with wearing this. But yeah, I absolutely love a nice casual two-piece set that I can just throw on and go. And you don't have to think about it. It's a one and done. It's all black and out the door. Grab your bag and out the door. But yeah, I love this. It's comfortable. Definitely comfortable. And yes, it does have pockets at the top. I forgot to mention that as well. And you know your girl, if I like it, had to get it in the blue as well. And I'm going to just pair it with the fuchsia tennis shoes with a fuchsia head wrap, you know, and befitting for breast cancer awareness. This is just too comfortable. I absolutely love this. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. These are all the pieces. Well, some of the pieces I picked up from Walmart.com.